What is happening, everybody? Good morning. So this morning I woke up to that, and the culprit, yep, that tree branch. But you know what? We're not going to dwell on it today because there's not a damn thing we can do about it besides wait for the repair guys to come. So let me tell you about my upcoming trip to Asia. As some of you know, I moved to Asheville a short while ago, and I absolutely fell in love with the area. But after all the crazy things that have been going down in my life as of recent, it was time that I took a vacation. And so, I'm taking off to Tokyo and Bangkok for 10 days. In the second week of October, I land in Tokyo. In Tokyo, I plan on packing in as many fun things as I possibly can, including places like the famous robot restaurant and staying in one of the ingenious concept capsule hotels. Just a short day and a half here to save on my travel budget, and then it's off to Bangkok. In Bangkok, I plan on visiting tons of the ancient sites, taking in the food and culture, and of course, enjoying a little bit of the nightlife. In fact, I'll be celebrating my birthday, October the 14th, in Bangkok. How cool is that? And that's my plan as of now. 2 cities in 10 days. More information on the trip later on and as we go. Of course, as usual, thank you all for watching another day in Rich's life.